Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable Dolby Digital. Select settings from top right corner, then select device preferences, then go to sound, then select formats. By default it's auto, we need to select manual here, then select digital, Dolby Digital here. So now I enable Dolby Digital. Same way we can enable or disable Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital Plus, DTS, DTS HD, WAC and Dolby True HD. So if you want to disable Dolby Digital, we can select here and disable Dolby Digital. This way we can enable or disable Dolby Digital. So please try it.